Our body cells, over time, they can become unable to function optimally. When this happens, it's called cellular senescence. And as these cells accumulate, they can affect the day-to-day function of healthy cells. Life Extension formulated our senolytic activator to combat cellular senescence and promote your client's youthful cellular function. We started with theaflavins from tea plants. Research indicates that they have the ability to help reduce senescent cell burden. Senolytic activator also includes quercetin, a compound that supports cardiovascular health, promotes healthy immune function, and more. But it's hard to absorb. Senolytic activator features our quercetin phytosome, making it up to 50 times more bioavailable than the standard form. Research shows that intermittent dosing is also effective, so all your clients need to take are 2 vegetarian capsules once a week. Help your clients manage senescent cells, promote healthy cellular function, and support their overall longevity with Senolytic activator.